Look at the crowd, see how breathless we become.